is find the forces in all the members. Find the forces in all the members of the trust shown below. In all the members of the trust shown below. Of the trust shown below. Cross-sectional area, everything is same. So how to recognize whether the problem is from redundant frame or deflection? So redundant frame means you will ask the to find out the forces, whereas in the other one you will ask to find out the deflection, vertical deflection or horizontal deflection. That is the difference. One more difference I will show you after drawing this figure. Okay, this is state only, don't be confused. 10 kilonewton, A, B, C, D, this is in support. I'll draw. So you can see here, previous problem is like this. Now one more diagonal is coming. So one more diagonal is coming, then we will say it as a redundant frame. 1 4 is coming, then you will say it is not a perfect frame. So what you want to say? It is not a perfect frame. How to say it is not a perfect frame? It is not a perfect frame. How to see that one? M is equal to 2j minus 3. M is number of members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 members are there. So don't think this is as a point here. Joint this is. Then 2 into joints, number of joints. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, 4 minus 3. So 2, 4, 8. 8. This will become 5. So number of members is 6. So one extra member. One extra member. So one extra member means that is the redundant frame. Redundant up to 1 degree. Why I am saying 1 degree? Because it is 1 year extra. If I am getting 7 years, so we can say redundant up to 2. Here it is only up to 1. We have in our syllabus only up to 1. It is not a perfect frame. So you can say it is not a perfect frame. It is not a perfect truss or perfect frame. Not perfect frame. Keep in mind. So what I want to do in this one, we have so many methods. Here, what I am doing is, I am assuming one member as T, tension I will take it, then you do in that one, I will go and solve the problem. So what I am doing now, I will take this as redundant, that I am taking as some T. AC member as redundant. AC is redundant member. AC as redundant member I am taking. So better to take a diagonal member. Diagonal member, AC or BD you can take it. Why I am saying better to take a diagonal member? When you take a diagonal member, there is no need to take the angles. Angles we can reduce. That's why I am taking a diagonal member. Always that is better. You take AC as a diagonal member. AC diagonal member as a redundant member. So our now VA, then see here HA is there now. So I'll do one thing. So the other person has asked me the question. No? So I'll take HA only. Right side only I'll take it. Generally, this is right side. I want to take left side. But not to confuse, okay? PD. So I have taken like this. Now he has given the distances. This is 3 meter. This is 4 meter. Then how to find out the angle? How to find out the angle? Theta is equal to tan inverse vertical. Vertical is 3. This is 4. 3 by 4. 36.87 degrees. Then I'll calculate the VA, VB, HA, HB like that. So sigma MA is equal to 0. Sigma MA is equal to 0. minus Vd into 4. This is Vd into 4. Only this is there. 10 into 3. 10 into 3 clockwise. Plus 10 into 3 plus 10 into 3 is equal to 0. So Vd is equal to 30 by 4, 7.5 kilonewton. Then I'll go for sigma f of y is equal to 0. Sigma f of y Va. Nothing is there. You can see there is no vertical loads here. No vertical loads. So nothing is there. So Va plus Vd is equal to 0. Then Va is equal to minus 7.5 kilonewton. Minus 7.5 kilonewton. Then sigma f of x is equal to 0. So if I am taking sigma f of x is equal to 0, HA right side, this 10 also right side, so plus 10 is equal to 0. That implies to HA is equal to minus 10 kilonewton. So I got first support reactions. Support reactions means VA, HA, because it is in support, we have VA and HA. It is roller support only, VD. Understood? Now you can take any one. One joint I'll take it. So one joint means you cannot go for B, you cannot go for you can go for C. C because this is T is I am taking out it is as a T. So you will get in terms of T only. So joint A I can go, joint C I can go. Joint P I cannot go. These 1, 2, 3 unknowns. The joint D also 1, 2, 3 unknowns. So joint A can go or joint C can go. So if I am going for joint A, I am going for joint A. Joint A I am writing. Okay. So joint A, joint A, joint A I am taking. J-O-I-N-T. Joint A. So joint A, what should I do? First I should draw the x and y axis. Then I take VA. Okay. So VA how much I got? Minus 7.5 kilonewton. Then HA I will take it. HA right side. How much I got? HA minus 10 kilonewton. Then this is, I'll take it as A. This is D. Then this is B. Then this is T. They are assumed as a T. This I assumed as a T. Then go for any one, sigma f of y, sigma f of x. So if I take sigma f of y is equal to 0, f of y, so what I will get here? I'll take it as P, PAB upward. So PAB upward, this is also upward, but minus 7.5. Minus 7.5. Then this is also upward, plus P sine 36.87 is equal to 0. If you do the calculation, then PAB is equal to 7.5 minus 0.60. Sine 36.87 is 0.6. Then I'll go for sigma f of x is equal to 0. Sigma f of x is equal to 0 minus 10 right side plus P of AD cos 36.87 right side. So right side is positive. Right side it is positive. PAD cos 36.87. Then if this is T, not PAD, that is T cos, that is T cos 36.87, T cos 36.87, T cos then P of AD. Plus P of AD is equal to 0. Unknown is here PAD. If this will come the other side, this will become 10. then cos 36.87 is 0.8. If otherwise it will go, it is minus 0.8. So PAD, how many are total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Already T is there, no? So we got 2. Then I'll go for another joint. So if I am going for joint B can go. Joint B, first to draw the X and Y axis. Joint B, what is there in the joint B? Joint B, right side 10. Okay. Right side 10. So B, this side C, downward A, and this is D. This is theta. Okay, you can go for sigma f of y is equal to 0, f of y downward, so minus PAB downward, this is also downward, minus PBD, x axis cos theta, y will be sine. So sine 36.87 is equal to 0. PAB is known to you. Whatever the PAB is there, that is substitute here. After substituting, you will get the value of PBD. PBD minus 12.5 plus T. So I got PBD. Just to substitute the value of PAB. Then I'll go for sigma f of x is equal to 0. F of x, right side 10. This is also right side plus P of BC right side. This is also right side plus P BD cos 36.87 is equal to 0. PBD you know value minus 12.5 plus T. Substitute that, we will get the value of PBC. We will get the value of PBC. Substituting the value of PD. Substitute the value of PBD. Then we will get the value of PBC. So PBC is equal to minus 0.8 T. Then I'll go for one more joint. Joint C, I'll take it. Say joint C. Joint C I am taking. So joint C, draw a x-axis and y-axis. Joint C, how many are? 3 are there. C. If I am taking C, this is CB, this is CD, and this is T. Theta. What is unknown here? Only CD is unknown. Go for sigma f of y. So I am going for sigma f of y is equal to 0. Sigma f of y minus T sine 36.87 minus P CD is equal to 0. So substitute the value PCD, substitute sine 36.87, that is 0.6. So 0.6 T. T CD is equal to 0.6 T. So all the member forces we got it. All the member forces we got it. Then I'll go for the tabular form. Once you get the tabular form, then we can easily do it. What is the tabular form? I'll draw the tabular form. Look into it. I'm drawing the tabular form. So member, then length, member, then length, P. There I taken capital N, here P, then dou P by dou T, then PL, dou P by dou T, then magnitude, then nature. Nature means compression or tension. So what are the members we are having? You check it out. I have made it into a boxes. All the things I have made in a boxes. So I am writing AB, AD, AC, BC, BD, then CD. All the members. All the members. Length you can write it. 3, it is in meters. 3, 4, AC will become 5 using Pythagoras theorem. BD also will become 5 using Pythagoras theorem. Is the root of 3 square plus root of 3 square plus 4 square will become 5. So that is the AC and BD. Then P, whatever the P you got it, you write down 7.5 minus 0.6 T, then 10 into 10 minus 0.8 T, then this is T, this is minus 0.8 T, this is T minus 12.5, this is minus 0.6. So whatever I got it, everything I taken this alphabets A, B, C, A, D also I taken in the same way as whatever we have in the boxes. Okay, whatever you have in the boxes, so it is there in the boxes now. Same thing I have taken. So minus 0.8 dou P by dou T. Here you will get minus 0.6. Here 0.8 dou P by dou T. This is constant. This will become 0. This is 1. This is minus 0.8. Then this is 1. This is minus 0.6. So PL by dou P by dou T. So PL, P into L into dou P by dou T. So this into this into this. What are you writing? That you write it here. Minus 13.5 plus 1.08 T. This into this into this. Then this is minus 32 plus 2.56 T. Then this is 5T. This is 5T and this is 2.56 T. This is 5T minus 62.5 and this is 1.08 T. Then you take the summation of all these things. What is the summation of all these things? Minus 108 plus 17.28 G, 28 T. Then what is our formula? What is our formula? Sigma P dou P by dou T, PL by, sorry, P already there, na? So L by AE is equal to 0. So AE is constant, no? A is 0. So dou P by dou PL by dou T you got 108 plus 17.25. So minus 108 plus 17.28 T is equal to 0. We will get the value of T. So T I got it as 6.25. So I got 6.25 kilonewton T. So what you will do now? Magnitude, if you want to magnitude, 7.5 minus 0.6 into 6.25. Whatever you will get it, you take it. So if I am getting 3.75 kilonewton, this is kilonewton. If it is positive, you write down tension. Similarly, this 10 minus 0.8 into 6.25. So I got 5. Then I am taking as T. Then here T is already there. So T how much I got? 6.25 positive tension. Similarly, this is minus 0.8 T, you can see. Minus 0.8 into 6.25. I got it 5 minus 5. Minus 5 means 5. This is compression. Similarly, T minus 12.5, that is minus 6.25. So 6.25 compression. Here also minus 0.6 into T, that is 3.75 minus. So minus means compression. So this is about the problem.